Hey, I'm Anthony with Car Candy. Today we're going to be using 𝗙ble glass cleaner. This is our ready-to-use ammonia-free glass cleaner. Let me demonstrate for you how to use this product. Now that we're ready to use 𝗙ble, you always want to make sure that you grab yourself a lint-free microfiber towel. Simply mist the glass. Start at one side, working your way down. Flip your towel over to ensure that there are no streaks left behind. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video on how to use 𝗙ble ready-to-use glass cleaner. If you'd like to know more about this product or to order, please visit our website and be sure to follow us on all social media platforms.